Hey friends! Does your game feel slow when you move your mouse or press a key? Like your aim moves a bit late, even though your PC is fast? Don't worry. Today I'll show you some hidden Windows tricks that make your game super smooth. These steps fix input delay, stop stutters, and give you better FPS all without any risky settings. Let's start, and by the end of this video, your game will feel much faster. But before we begin, make a small system restore point, just to stay safe. Clean your PC settings. First, let's clear old data from your PC. Click on the Start menu, type CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Now type these two commands one by one. IP protocol configuration /flushdns. netsh winsock reset. Then restart your computer. This removes old files that can slow down your network or games. It's like giving your PC a quick bath before the race. Give your game more power. Now open your game. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Details tab, find your game's name, like game.exe, right-click it, and choose Set Priority High. Then right-click again, choose Set Affinity, and keep only your first few cores checked, for example, Core 0 to Core 5. This makes your game more important to Windows, so your CPU works harder on it and less on background stuff. Use secret Windows commands. Now let's unlock hidden Windows settings. Open Command Prompt again as admin and type these commands. vcddit/set disable dynamic yes. vcddit/set priority policy dynamic. Reg add hglm/software/ Microsoft /gamebar /v allow auto game mode /treg_dword /d1/f. These commands tell Windows to focus on your game and not waste time switching between apps. After you run them, restart your PC. Make it stay forever, Process Lasso. Now we'll make these settings stay even after you restart. Download a free app called Process Lasso, link in the description. Open it and find your games.exe file. Right-click it, choose CPU priority, always high. Then again CPU affinity, always select cores, 0 to 5. Turn on Pro Balance mode and gaming mode in settings. Now your game will always run smoothly every time you open it. One last boost, registry tweak. We're almost done. Now we'll do a small registry tweak to make Windows handle your CPU faster. Open Command Prompt again as admin and type reg add hglm/system/ current control set /control/ priority control /vwin32 priority separation /treg_dword /d26/f. Restart your PC one last time. Now your computer will give more power to your game threads, reducing lag even more. Test your game. Now open your game and play. You should see smoother motion, faster input, and higher FPS. If you want, use MSI Afterburner or CapFrameX, links below, to check your frame times. If your 1% lows are better, you did everything right. Great job! You just unlocked Windows' hidden settings that make your games faster and smoother. If this worked for you, comment your FPS before and after, I'd love to know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more easy game fixes and performance tricks. See you in the next video.
I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lives.